This comment alleges that the West doesn't care how many international laws Israel is breaking. But I have a question. Number one, I'd love to hear a list of the actual laws that are being broken. But number two, I'm going to go ahead and list the actual international laws that H group has, in fact, broken. Starting with hostage taking, which the abduction of civilians, including women, children, and elderly, is a war crime and a violation of the Geneva Convention. The use of human shields. Now, this one, a lot of you guys don't even know what that entails. H Group has been accused of operating military bases within and launching attacks from densely populated civilian areas, including residential buildings, schools, and hospitals. The use of civilians as human shields is, in fact, a war crime. Now, that doesn't mean they put a person right in front of them and uses them as a physical shield. No, my dear. What that means is number one, they don't wear uniforms to distinguish themselves from civilians. They operate from schools, from hospitals, from churches, from religious places like mosques. They operate from civilian areas. That breaks international war crime laws. Also, not to mention their indiscriminate attacks. So when they launch their rockets, they don't aim specifically for any area. They don't care if they're aiming towards civilian areas or military targets. They don't distinguish when they do that. That is breaking the international laws. Torture and cruel treatment of the hostages that they have taken is another breaking of the international law, as evidenced by the UN's report that states that there is evidence that they mistreated the hostages. Also, taking and keeping hostage remains. So after October 7th, on that day, they didn't leave the bodies behind, they took them with them into Gaza. So, following the ceasefire agreement, H Group returned also the wrong body of a deceased person when they were supposed to return the body of Shiri Bibas, if you remember that, which is seen as violating humane treatment standards. So, they have broken numerous, this is just a few, numerous international war crimes committed by H Group. And so, by the way, the quote unquote state of Palestine is a party to the Rome Statute, which governs the ICC. This means that Hamas leaders can be prosecuted for crimes committed within the court's jurisdiction, which includes Gaza and Israel. So you guys keep bringing up that Israel is breaking international law. No, they are not. Every single step that they have taken, they have consulted with lawyers before even doing any of the attacks. And sure, have they made mistakes during this war? Every single war has mistakes, my dears. So, again, I urge you, do a little bit of research. And I know you guys love, love, love to blame Israel for pretty much everything. But I ask you, do you hold H Group and Gazans to the same standard? Because on October 7th, as seen in the videos that they themselves released, actual Gazan civilians also came into Israel and did the horrendous crimes that even the UN attests to. And by the way, release the hostages.